You're watching livingpianos.com, and I'm Robert Estrin. Today is why drummers love to play the piano. Why do drummers love to play the piano? Do drummers love to play the piano? Absolutely. I want to hear from all of you drummers out there who tune into this video and tell us why you love to play the piano. I'm going to give you some reflections because I have a lot of drummers in my life, and almost categorically, they all love to play the piano. And you might wonder why that is. Well, my son is a drummer, and he loves to play the piano. And this video was inspired by my good friend Bob Friedman, the Steinway Hunter. If you haven't checked out his book, by the way, it is absolutely the most enjoyable book to read if you love pianos. But Bob was talking about how you got to talk about why drummers love to play the piano. So here it is. For one thing, drummers already have a really highly developed sense of rhythm. And rhythm is one of the most intrinsically difficult aspects of playing the piano. Drummers also are used to playing with two hands as well as their feet. So they've got a good sense of coordination. But what they don't have is a pitched instrument. It's all rhythm. Unless they happen to play mallet instruments, they don't get melody. And of course, playing with other musicians, they hear the melodies in their heads and they want to be able to enjoy that. So they go to the piano, and it's so interesting the way drummers approach the keyboard. Sometimes they'll take solos in such an interesting fashion, playing like a drummer and coming up with things and patterns that you wouldn't think of as a pianist because we're used to using our fingers in a way that drummers are not. So they come up with interesting patterns and melodies that might not occur to other musicians. It helps them also to understand the music they're playing drums to by playing it on the piano, getting a sense of chord progressions and melodies helps them to achieve a more sensitive rhythmic backdrop to the music they play. So there are many reasons why drummers love to play the piano. And really it comes down to the fact that the piano is a percussion instrument. Instead of using sticks hitting drum heads, it's hammers hitting strings. It's activated with your fingers, but it really is the ultimate percussion instrument, isn't it? So of course drummers are going to love to play the piano because it's a percussion instrument and arguably the quintessential percussion instrument. So drummers love to play the piano. Let's hear from all of you here at livingpianos.com and YouTube. Thanks again. I'm Robert Estrin. Thanks for joining me.